quick reading for March the 3rd to March the 4th, Aquarius. Your cards are the Four of Pentacles, the Three of Wands, and the Queen of Pentacles. So nakikita natin dito, may pagka somewhat no rejections ang nafe-feel natin in the past days, weeks, or last months. Pero maganda naman din dahil nagkaroon tayo ng time sa sarili natin. Well, sabihin natin nasaktan tayo in a way, pero we tend to make the most no of our time, especially kung nagkaroon kayo ng separation. Ngayon, nung parang nawalan ka ng gana or hindi ka nag-a-approach, eto naman, parang meron namang mga either kapalit, no? Yun nga, sabi nila, when someone close the door, you know, the window opens, pwedeng itong mismo si person babalik to offer you something. Or this might be a new person with the Queen of Pentacles and giving you much more, no? Kung ano yung mga hindi mo na-experience sa past mo, it felt like ito yung ibibigay sa'yo ng bagong person and something that you probably didn't expect in a positive way, dito mo mararanasan, no? Parang sasabihin mo, ay, salamat naman, ngayon kampante na ako. Uupo na lang ako sa aking trono at yung person ko na, yung, kumbaga, hindi na ako hihingi, no? So, siya na ang kusang magbibigay. This is your quick reading, Aquarius, for March the 3rd to March the 4th.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love.